How to change Upwork password. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your Upwork password. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Upwork app on your phone. Once you open the app, you'll be able to see your profile icon on the top left corner. You simply have to click this icon. And now it's going to pop up with this menu. In this menu, you simply have to choose Settings. And on the settings menu, it's going to bring you to this menu. Now, if you scroll through, you'll be able to see this option that says password and security. Simply click this option. And now it's going to load this page for you. Once the page loads, you'll be able to see Upwork password option over here under the login section. And you can see I have this option change password over here. Simply click change password. And once you do so, it's going to pop up with this menu. Now, enter your current password in this box and then enter the new password in this box and then re-enter the new password that you just selected. And once you're done with re-entering your new password and these three blocks are filled, you simply have to click confirm and log out. You'll need to log in again on all your devices after changing your password. And that's how you change your Upwork password.